Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got some front porch post rot. They're pretty sound, but we shouldn't be able to poke in here. We're gonna take this rot and make it rock hard. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Hey homeowners, check out the new Home Mender e-course, Homeowners Edition, just for you guys, where we learn to fix everything under the roof and the roof too. All right, so we've got these 3 porch post columns. These columns are round and taller than 8 feet, so they would be special order, and they're each attached to a handrail. We got this rot here. It's a little soft right here. We also have this one on the other end. Again, the handrail is super secured to the post. So this appears to just be surface stuff. So I want to clear this out because I want to have a spot for my putty to grab onto. So I'm gonna keep removing it until it's no longer loose. There we go, we're gonna dig all that out. All right, I'm gonna mix up some Durham's Rock Hard water putty. Got the Strongman on the front, add some water, and I want this to be super pliable, so it's not gonna be running out of my pan. It's just gonna be basically a hard, thick putty. Just mush it in my hole here. Really paste it on there so it sticks. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all this in one coat or not, because it's going to need something to grab onto. Keep building it out. All right, that's a good first coat. I'm gonna take off this extra. All right, let's let that set a minute. And before the first coat dries, go ahead and smooth out and fill all the little areas that didn't quite touch. You can feel it's starting to harden, but it's just a little bit pliable still. I'm gonna just knock off the high stuff and just kind of even it out a little bit and preps for my second coat. Now, of course, we could have removed these columns, cut them way up here and built like a PVC stand for them, and then, you know, readjusted and reinstalled the handrails. But that's a lot more work, and if we're gonna go through that thing, you may as well just replace the columns. This is actually looking pretty awesome. First coat is dry, we're ready to go for the second. All right, second coat, I'm gonna mix up a bit creamier this time. Corner of my knife. Hopefully it doesn't run down on me. Kind of recreate that arch. There we go. Just keep going over it until you get that right little, where it looks smooth. Just like that there. Take off the excess. There we go. It's more of an art form. All right, now I got the extra off. Take a nice clean knife and make that smooth. Bam. Nice, creamy. And recreate the arch. Bam. Just file the high edges down. And for some added protection, I'm gonna seal the handrail to the post with some quad exterior sealant. So that's it. We just rocked that repair. Now, of course, we could have pulled those columns and replaced them, but this will definitely get him through until he decides to replace the columns, and most importantly, we protect it from further rot. So that's it. We just rocked that post wood repair. Now, we could have cut the bottom of these columns off, built a 2x4 frame for it, and then trimmed it out in vinyl. So that would have been super duper weatherproof, but we would have had to do all of them, and we would have had to take down the handrail. This guy just wanted to make it not ugly. Now, I only did 2 coats on there, and you may be able to see some dimples or imperfections. Now that the paint's on it, it's easier to see. So I'm gonna go back and put an even creamier 3rd coat on it so it gets into all the little dimples. Give it another light sand, paint it, and you're all done. For a more hardcore repair, you could use all-purpose Bondo. Now, Bondo is the hardcore material to rebuild with. This lady had a rusted off corner to her metal door, and I fabricated the corner after 3 coats of Bondo, so this is top dog too. I had so much to do in here. The rock hard was only $8 a tub. This is $15 for a small tub. So if you do want to use this, I suggest your 3rd coat be with Bondo. Give it that extra oomph. If you guys want to see how to use Bondo, shoot me a comment. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.